Installing the Brondell Coral Under-Counter Water Filtration System is simple. Follow these steps to install and use your water filter. Before installation, please watch our Quick Connects tutorial found on Brondell.com, as all of our water filter components use this type of plumbing connection. You will also need an existing hole at least 7/16 inches in diameter in the sink or countertop to install the supplied filtered water faucet. If drilling a new hole in your sink or countertop is required for installation, please consult a professional. To install the provided faucet, insert the top spout into the faucet's main body and screw the top cap clockwise until secure. Insert the faucet's blue tubing through the escutcheon and bring the escutcheon up all the way to the main body. Feed the blue tubing through the sink or countertop hole to the cabinet below. From under the counter, thread the large plastic washer, flat side up, lock washer, and locking nut up the blue tube to the countertop. Tighten the locking nut until the faucet assembly is firmly in place. Pull the plastic tab out from the battery compartment to activate the faucet indicator. To supply water to the Coral system, turn off the cold water supply under the sink at the wall. Turn on the sink's cold water faucet to drain the residual water from the water lines. Disconnect the metal cold water supply line from the shutoff valve. Insert the rubber washer into the provided T-valve and connect it to the cold water supply valve using the provided adapters if necessary. Reconnect the faucet water supply hose to the top of the T-valve. Locate the two Quick Connect 90-degree elbows and the filter head connection assembly. Attach the two elbows to the inlet and outlet. Use a pencil and a level to mark where the filter head connection assembly will be mounted to the wall of the cabinet, ensuring it's placed at least 14 inches from the cabinet floor. Secure the filter assembly frame to the cabinet wall using the provided screws. To insert the filters, line up the arrow on the filter head connection assembly with the arrow on the filter. Insert the filter into the assembly and turn 90 degrees to the right until the filter will not turn anymore. The filter head connection assembly arrow should now be lined up with the circle icon and notch on the top of the filter. For the single filter model UC100, this process is complete. For the triple filter model UC300, repeat the process for the pre-carbon filter and carbon block filter, making sure the colors on the filters match the colors on the filter head connection assembly. Insert one end of the provided white tubing into the T-valve quick connector. Push the tube firmly into place to secure and ensure the T-valve switch is pointing up. Insert the open end of the white tubing into the inlet elbow on the filter head connection. Insert the blue tubing into the outlet elbow on the filter head connection. If desired, carefully cut the tubing to shorten. Open the T-valve by turning the valve switch 90 degrees to point at the white tubing and turn on the water supply. Check for any signs of leaking in the system. Turn on the provided faucet for 5 minutes to flush and activate the filters. This wastewater is safe for watering plants. Congratulations, your Coral installation is complete. Please refer to the owner's manual for instructions on how to properly operate and maintain your Coral.